How can we help to build opportunities, create jobs, develop new technologies, develop intellectual property that can be applied in so many other economic sectors? The beauty of doing this with industry is that we can link this technology and bring them back to Earth to build a better planet and to do great things right here. It's ambitious, it's audacious. We are building a space hub right here at the Gold Coast. We do have industry in need for people, talent, infrastructure, capacity to build things. Partnership offers an incredible opportunity for our students and for our academics to join forces with the local industry and help them to grow. You can't innovate unless you have that close relationship with the industry.
How did it feel, agreeing to work with Griffith University and especially high schoolers who are interested in the STEM field and aerospace?
We look into the future. We're growing. We have 160 employees now. In 5 years' time, it could easily be 1,000. So we know that we need you guys that are in high school to go into university, do something that's related to us, and then come and work for us.
Learning about the image processing, the whole new concept of this, but being introduced to it, especially with the help of our academics, it was really eye-opening, and I think it opens a lot more fields in our careers.
By the time they come into our company, they already know what they're doing and they're already building stuff. I promise you, you can have students in here before they graduate will help build a rocket that goes to space.
We have ADAPT here at the university. We have laboratories. We have people that are able to make things happen. We can evolve fast and we can bring all the new technologies on board. We're using artificial intelligence, machine learning, which is one of the strengths of our universities, to help us to build a satellite that will be able to do much more. There will be jobs for everyone in the space industry. All those challenges require professionals from all areas to come together to realize something that is a dream, exploring space.
4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition. We have liftoff.